5 investments that will make you rich in 2025. As we enter 2025, the financial landscape continues to evolve, offering new opportunities for investors looking to build wealth. With technological advancements, shifts in global markets, and emerging industries taking center stage, savvy investors can capitalize on high-growth opportunities. Strategic investments are key if you want to grow your money and secure financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most promising investment opportunities that have the potential to make you rich in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these options can help you maximize your returns and stay ahead in the ever-changing world of finance. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation stocks. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. Companies specializing in AI, machine learning, and automation are seeing massive growth, and this trend is expected to accelerate in 2025. Investing in AI-related stocks can be highly lucrative, with businesses increasingly relying on AI for data analysis, cybersecurity, customer service, and automation. Some of the most prominent players in the AI space include NVIDIA, NVDA, a leading semiconductor company powering AI applications. Microsoft, MSFT, investing heavily in AI through its cloud computing and OpenAI partnerships. Alphabet, Google, Google's parent company, advancing AI through DeepMind and Google Bard. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, specializing in AI-driven data analytics. AI isn't just limited to big tech. Startups focusing on automation, robotics, and AI-driven healthcare are prime investment opportunities. The key is investing in companies actively driving innovation in this space. 2. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Despite the volatility, cryptocurrency remains one of the most profitable investment opportunities. Bitcoin, BTC, has already proven its worth as digital gold. With increasing institutional adoption, it is expected to continue its upward trajectory. Ethereum, ETH, known for its innovative contract capabilities, also remains a substantial investment. In 2025, some of the hottest crypto trends include decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms like Aave, Uniswap, and Compound are disrupting traditional banking. Layer 2 solutions. Technologies like Polygon, Matic, and Optimism, OP, improve blockchain scalability. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, governments worldwide are exploring blockchain-based digital currencies. Additionally, blockchain technology extends beyond cryptocurrencies. Companies integrating blockchain into supply chain management, cybersecurity, and digital identity verification are expected to see massive growth. If you want to invest in crypto, consider diversifying your portfolio across multiple assets to balance risk and reward. 3. Electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energy. The push towards sustainability is stronger than ever, and investing in green energy and electric vehicles is one of the smartest financial moves in 2025. With governments worldwide enforcing stricter environmental regulations and offering incentives for clean energy, this sector is set for massive expansion. Top investments in this space include Tesla, TSLA, a dominant player in the EV market. Rivian, Rivian, and Lucid Motors, LCID, emerging EV companies with strong growth potential. BYD, BYDDY, a Chinese EV manufacturer competing with Tesla. NextEra Energy, NE, a leader in renewable energy, focusing on wind and solar power. Enphase Energy, ENPH, a company specializing in solar energy solutions. Battery technology is another area to watch, with companies like QuantumScape, QS, developing solid-state batteries that could revolutionize the EV industry. As the demand for clean energy grows, early investors in this sector stand to reap significant profits. 4. Real estate and rights, real estate investment trusts. Real estate has long been a proven wealth-building strategy, and 2025 is no different. However, with high interest rates affecting traditional homebuyers, savvy investors are turning to new opportunities within the real estate market. Some of the best real estate investments for 2025 include rental properties in high-growth areas. cities with tech hubs, growing job markets, and strong infrastructure developments. Short-term rentals, Airbnb properties. The vacation rental market is booming, especially in tourist-heavy locations. REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you don't want to buy physical property, REITs offer a great way to invest in real estate with lower capital requirements. Some high-potential REITs include Prologis, PLD, focused on logistics and e-commerce warehouses. Public Storage, PSA, a leader in self-storage solutions. Realty Income, O, specializing in commercial properties. With inflation and economic fluctuations, owning real estate assets can act as a hedge against market volatility while generating passive income. 5. Biotech and healthcare innovations. The healthcare industry is undergoing a revolution, driven by cutting-edge biotech advancements. With the global population aging and the demand for medical innovations rising, biotech stocks are poised for explosive growth in 2025. Key areas of investment in biotech and healthcare include gene editing and CRISPR technology. Companies like CRISPR Therapeutics, CRSP, and Adidas Medicine, EDIT, are pioneering gene-based treatments. Telemedicine and AI in healthcare. Platforms like Teladoc Health, TDOC, and AI-driven diagnostic companies are transforming the industry. Pharmaceutical breakthroughs. Drug development companies focusing on cancer treatment, Alzheimer's research, and personalized medicine. Wearable health tech. Devices like the Apple Watch and Fitbit drive innovation in real-time health monitoring. With an increasing focus on longevity, personalized medicine, and AI-driven diagnostics, biotech presents one of the best investment opportunities in the coming years. Final thoughts. Positioning yourself for success in 2025. Investing in 2025 requires a forward-thinking approach. While traditional investment strategies remain valid, the most immense wealth-building opportunities lie in emerging industries shaping the future. To maximize your investment returns, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one asset. Spread your investments across multiple sectors. Stay informed. Follow market trends, read financial reports, and keep up with the latest technological advancements. Think long-term. While some investments can offer quick returns, wealth building is often a marathon, not a sprint. Assess risk carefully. High-reward investments often come with risks. Do thorough research before committing your capital. By strategically investing in AI, cryptocurrency, green energy, real estate, and biotech, you can position yourself for significant financial success in 2025. The key is to act early, stay informed, and seize opportunities before they become mainstream. Are you ready to start investing in your future? The time to act is now. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.